Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Sadia Hussain, lecturer, Department of Finance. Today I am going to discuss a creative question from chapter 3, which is time value of money. Here is the question. Farhan wants to deposit his savings Taka 10 lakhs at 10% rate for 10 years in Padda Bank. His wife advised him to purchase land where the land value would be double in 8 years with extra income of Taka 2 lakhs. There are two requirements. Requirement A is calculate the future value of Padda Bank, and requirement B is which project is appropriate for Mr. Farhan analyze. My dear students, we have to calculate the future value of Padda Bank at requirement 1 or requirement A. We have to write down the given, which is a prerequisite for any kind of calculation. So, here are the given. First, the present value, which we can write as PV, is Taka 10 lakhs. Then I equal to 10%, which we can write 0.10. Then N, number of year is 10 years. Now, the future value of Padda Bank, we know that future value equal to PV into 1 plus I to the power N. So, PV is Taka 10 lakhs. I is 0.10 and number of year is 10. After this calculation, we will receive Taka 25 lakh 93,742.46. So, the future value of Padda Bank for 8 years is 25,93,742.46. Now we have to calculate the requirement B. My dear students, for the calculation of requirement B, we can see that there are two projects. First one is the land and second one is the bank. So, first is land project for 8 years. As we can see that the present value is 10 lakhs. So, 10 lakhs into 2, which is 20 lakhs. With this, the extra income is Taka 2 lakhs. Now we can see that the land value for 8 years is Taka 22 lakhs. Now we will calculate the present future value for 8 years of Padda Bank. Future value of Padda Bank for 8 years, which is FB equal to PV into 1 plus I to the power n. After this calculation, we will receive taka 21 lakh 43,588.81. From the calculation or assessment of these two projects, we can see that the land value is much higher than the future value of Potali. So Mr. Farhad has to choose the land project for his investment. My dear students, that's all for today's class. Allah Hafiz.